Hi, this is how you adjust the position of the steering wheel on most cars. To be able to adjust the position, the first thing we need to do is to release the lever locking the steering wheel position. This lever, that can on some cars be more of a pull button, is usually located somewhere underneath the actual steering wheel and column. To be able to adjust the steering wheel, we then need to push this lever back towards the front of the car. On some cars, though, the lever or button goes the other way instead. So pay attention here a little bit to how it is mounted on your specific car. And after this, it is then just a matter of moving the whole steering wheel around until you find a suitable position for it. Here, the whole steering wheel usually moves both up and down, as well as in and out, for you to be able to get the correct distance between yourself and the pedals, as well as the steering wheel. When you're done, just lock the whole thing again by pushing the lever back to its original position. And that is actually that. Thank you for watching. Bye.